Hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 9 in Electronics Communication Engineering branch in GATE 2021.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mr. Abhishek, where are you from? Can you tell your educational background and other details?
So basically, I completed my BTech from Kanpur, HBTI Kanpur, and I'm a 2020 pass out, and I belong to Sonbhadra, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, very good, Abhishek. Congratulations once again. And see, ACE Engineering Academy offers different coaching programs. You please tell us which coaching program you have availed from ACE Engineering Academy.
I availed in live gate exclusive. Live exclusive GATE plus ACE online classes and the test series.
Acha, right. So you have availed ACE online live classes for ECE plus, live online classes for engineering services plus GATE.
Yeah.
And also online test series of ACE Academy. Right.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Abhishek. What is your honest feedback on ACE online live classes?
Sir, the teachers and the software for which they provide classes are excellent. Basically, and increasing the speed of the video and the audio quality are much better than the other platforms.
Okay, good, very good, very good. Abhishek,
yes,
to what extent this ACE online live classes helped you in cracking the GATE exam with such a wonderful rank?
Sir, the major portion behind my rank belongs to ACE, as the faculties provided excellent notes, and the test series contains a good amount of questions comparable to what we get in GATE.
Okay, good, Abhishek. How you used to watch those live classes? Is it on your laptop or desktop?
No, sir. So I used to watch those videos on my laptop, as the I used to revise after completing a particular subject. I used to give 1 day for revision and another 2-3 days for subject test, during these 3 days and the subject would start. So I was little lagging in that aspect, as I was not able to watch any live videos.
Okay, Abhishek. Right. As far as the listening to the class is concerned, that's okay. How you used to prepare notes? Did you prepare any notes additionally?
Yeah. Class? Yes, sir. So I used to write down the things that the teachers are saying in the video, and when they used to give problems, I used to pause the screen and solve it myself before watching what they are actually when they are actually solving those questions. And plus the amount of questions they have provided were more than sufficient for GATE exam.
Okay, right. Right. I didn't get your point actually. Suppose if you miss some classes, live classes.
Yeah.
Suppose couple of, let me ask you. Suppose if you miss some live classes, so let us say a couple of days. So how you used to manage them?
So I used to watch those videos in 2x and 2x, as I am a repeater and I already have some basic idea of as to how things goes. So basically in that live exclusive program, you can watch those videos that they are already pre-recorded, and you can watch it at most 3 times. So I used to watch them during daytime and 2x speeds, and within 2 to 3 days I'm on track with the teacher.
So you mean to say that whenever you missed the classes, you used to go to that what you call record the upload version, because you can watch maximum 3 times, I think, right? Isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So you used to watch those missed classes at a higher speed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. That is how you used to manage the classes. Okay, good, Abhishek. Did you prepare, apart from the notes, what you used to prepare while watching a video, any other further short notes as such?
Yes, sir. While revising after completing my syllabus, I after completing a particular subject, I used to make short notes of that subject while revising them, and that helped a lot in the last month of January, as you can't revise the whole syllabus from the notes, so you basically go for the short notes in which you have written important topics and formulas and all those things. So I also used to make them while completing my syllabus for any subjects, and thus I completed all the subjects.
Okay, Abhishek, you said, is it your first attempt GATE exam?
No, sir, it is my second attempt. I am 2020 passed out, so I gave GATE exam last year also.
Last year, honestly, what was your rank?
Sir, it was around 1600 something.
Okay, very good, very good. So from 1600 rank, you jumped to All India rank 9. Very good, Abhishek. How you should take the test series also? Did you attend all the mock exams?
Yes, sir. During the earlier days when I first started giving these test exams, my score was way too low. It was around 25. If I give a test of about 25 marks, then my average would be around 15 or 16. Sometimes it would go on. It would even also go down to 2 or 3 marks. But the main point was in noting down the mistakes. So basically, I used to write down whatever mistakes I did in a separate copy. So I can view them later. And also, and the ASS series has a particular option where you can visit your whatever amount of wrong questions you have attempted during the test series.
Okay, okay, Abhishek. Well, did you study the entire syllabus of your electronics and communication branch, or any topic that you have left over?
No, sir. There wasn't any such topic. I completed my whole syllabus.
So the whole syllabus you have prepared thoroughly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good, Abhishek. So what are you going to do with this rank?
So basically, I'm trying to. I will try to pursue my master's from IISc Bangalore or IIT Bombay.
Okay. So no idea of going to PSUs.
Not at this moment.
Right now, I think I don't advise you also. You better go for MTech in some premier institute, because you got All India rank 9. You will get a wonderful MTech specialization. So once you complete MTech specialization, wonderful, I mean, top specialization from IISc or top IIT, you are going to get a very good campus placement with a high salary package. Okay, which specialization you are intending to join?
So VLSI.
Microelectronics and VLSI.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. After completing masters, any idea of going further research, or you want to join
no,
some
sir.
job in industry?
So I want research-based job in industry.
Okay. Any idea of preparing for engineering services further?
Yes, sir. Basically, I purchased a live exclusive GATE plus CSC. So currently, I'm preparing for CSC exam.
Okay, right. Okay, but meanwhile, you do join the MTech program, right? It's always
Yes,
a safe game for us, is it not? That
Yes,
MTech,
sir.
we have some backup for you. Okay, well done, Abhishek. Because you are a top ranker, that too, you could crack the GATE exam with ACE online live classes. Many juniors want to listen to you regarding the tips that you are going to share
Yes,
through the platform with the juniors. So what tips you are going to give to your juniors who want to crack the GATE exam like you?
First of all, you have to maintain a flow. Like you can't take a break or go on a vacation or on, but like Shadi in the last 2-3 months of GATE, it will break the flow. And in the last month of you should try to complete your GATE syllabus, entire GATE syllabus. I mean, till December or first week of January, and then give only test series during the month of January, and revise those and revise the entire syllabus. And during the last 2-3 weeks, don't try to study any new topic, as it won't be of any help. And if you are unfortunate and that topic does come from if a question does come from that topic, then the amount of pressure and other things will have a high probability that you will mistake in that question, so it won't be of any use. And basically prepare short notes of each subject and try to note what type of mistakes you are committing in your test series, and it will fetch you a good rank.
Okay, good, Abhishek. One question I forgot to ask you, because you avoided from ACE Academy this online live classes. Watching the live classes continuously, daily in a particular time, sometimes you may feel boredom. Did you ever come across such a feeling?
So and during earlier days, when I was first starting my preparation in August, continuously sitting for 5-6 hours was a tough job. But you have to do as it. You can't just go prepare for the entire syllabus in 3-4 months. So you have to study for at least 7-8 hours, uh, or after 20-23 days, you will already get in your habit into sit and watch videos for more than 7-8 hours.
Right. That is true, Abhishek. Initially, you may feel some sort of a discomfort watching those live classes continuously for 4-5 hours. But if you have a determination to crack the exam, if you continue the practice for at least 2-3 weeks, then slowly you get habituated.
Yes.
Then it becomes routine work for you. That is how you can manage, right? You won't feel okay. One thing, Abhishek, the last question, compared to classroom coaching, how these online live classes are going to be superior? Did you find any such a point?
So to be honest, I would prefer online classes as I can pause the classes on my own without asking the teacher. I can increase the speed in which I am suitable from 0.5x to 2x and all that. And plus, whenever I want to take a break, I can just pause the video and go for a quick break and all that. So basically, online class, I would prefer online classes over offline classes.
Okay, right. Well said. I think this is a good encouraging point for many students who are not able to avail the classroom coaching, especially those students who are in the remote areas, who are not in the cities, where the physical classroom coaching is not possible. I think for them, this encouraging point, you can avail the online live classes of Acing Academy. Certainly, it is going to be very useful in your preparation. Right. Well done, Abhishek. We once again congratulate you and wish you all the best in all your future endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best. God bless you, Abhishek.
Thanks.